और मैं अनबॉक्स करने लगी हूँ बिफोर द रेन. आई एम सुपर थ्रिल्ड टू बी अनबॉक्सिंग दिस बिकॉज आई लव दिस डेनिम ब्लू कलर. और उसको उन्होंने जिस तरह इनकॉर्पोरेट किया इन दिस वेडिंग कलेक्शन is gorgeous. I love the color combinations. I love the soft breezy touch of it. It's beautiful. मैं पिक्चर्स में देख के तो अलग ही impressed थी, but now I'm going to be unboxing it and I can tell you guys I love it. And I'm sure you'll know it while I'm unboxing it. So here we go. Look at the neckline. This is so pretty. Color combinations देखो रेशम में beautiful when these two with these pearl and this milky white sequins. I love it. So decent and pretty. So subtle, है ना? For daytime weddings, even for heavy big lunches, you can wear this easily. This is very pretty. Just look at it. This is gorgeous. Oh my God, look at it. He sent a panel Mara throughout. I love these cluster of sequins and everything. The color combination, beauty it is. I love these blue tones. Has always been my favorite blue color. अगर आपने पहले भी मेरी unboxing देखी ना, you would know that this blue always wins my heart. Whatever the design is. But ये तो design भी इतना हसीन है. So look at it. This is beautiful. बहुत ही नफासत से रेशम की भी stitch है. Then of course the sequence is milky white. So it's giving a very subtle, pretty look. Okay, ये side दो panels हैं. Can you see? ये center वाला जो मैंने आपको दिखाया था और उसके साथ ये दो हैं जो मैं आपको अब दिखा रही हूँ. Right? तो ये एक ये है और एक ये panel है. Right? So these two, of course, now this beauty is our sleeves. Can you see this? ये इस तरह लेंथ में आ जाएगी हमारी स्लीव्स का और साइड पे इसके ये छान है. Look at the sequence. रेशम once again right there for you to see. अच्छा जी, this beautiful one is for the sleeves. Just look at this organza. Oof, this is very delicate. बहुत ही prettily designed है, right? I love the delicacy and subtleness of this outfit. This can be worn in the evenings, in the daytime, of course, anytime. And yet it would give you a very glamorous, beautiful look. Look at this chora border. Love it. Just look at this beauty. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. The organza pe pura hamara bana hua hai. This looks like a beautiful rain showered garden, right? Look at it. The color combinations, everything. The beautiful detailing is just winning hearts. Okay, now this is a चटापटी की हमारी सिल्क की लेस. Oh my God, कितनी ज्यादा इन्होंने दे दी है. ये आप ये देखो, आपके शरारे पे आएगी, राइट? आपके घेरे पे आएगी, आपने साइड्स पे फिनिशिंग्स पे देने, एनीवेयर काफी ज्यादा है. कोई ना आपको दे भाई. Look at it. This is quite a lot. Tell your tailors not to waste it for sure. ठीक है ना? And oh my God, I am in love with these 3D buttons. Look at this cluster. This is gorgeous. Looks definitely